You may occasionally want to change the way the chatbot window operates from within Juji to give a different experience to customers. To do this, whilst in your chatbot, go to Deploy and come down to Option 2, Customize Chat Window Settings. These are optional. When you deploy your chatbot on a web page, you may wish to customize the chat window. Currently, you customize its settings to enable your chatbot window to pop out or to stay open across web pages. To enable the pop out, just click, and then when you go to your avatar widget, you get the option to expand out, and then this can be moved around so that nothing is blocked on the web page. You may also want to provide the ability for your chat window to stay open across web pages. To do this, all you need to do is simply enter your web URL. Your customers also have the option to minimize the avatar. And to bring it back, just click once. Simple.